To show indicator for new notification on your Galaxy Watch from Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, go to the app screen, find wearable app, and then tap it, tap watch setting, tap notification, next tap advanced notification setting, and then tap the gray on off switch next to new notification indicator on watch face until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When this option is on, your Galaxy Watch, when there's a new notification, you will see a red dot on your Galaxy Watch to notify you that you have a new notification. You can swipe the watch face to the right to open the notification. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.